Welcome to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost with me, Charly Leetham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and I'll break them down into bite-sized tips you can use straight away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Rise and shine. It's your daily dose of business tech inspiration with me, Charly Leetham, episode number 575 today. A couple of episodes ago, there's probably more than a couple of episodes ago, I spoke about how to find broken links on your website. Today, I want to talk about what to do with them, why they're a problem, and what you need to do with them when you find them. So let's just start with the why. Why are broken links or expired links a problem on your website? Most importantly, they lead to 404 errors, page not found errors on your website, which end up frustrating visitors no end. Now, if you've been watching the podcast for a little bit, you'll know that I did an episode the other day about how to use your 404 page more effectively to avoid some of these issues, but it is still an issue. Broken links can also hurt SEO rankings, search engine optimization rankings, as search engines will often find your site as unreliable. So it's really important that you have your 404 errors sorted out so that you're not getting hit with a high number of them when the search engines come to visit the site and index it. Because if you have a lot of broken links, it's just going to say, no, this site's not up to date. It's not being kept up to date. It's rubbish. We're not going to rank it highly. It can also damage the trust. I mean, so if we just take those two issues, it will damage the trust and make your business look outdated or neglected or unprofessional. Says she, thinking about broken links on her site. Okay, so broken links, they are a problem. They can be a massive problem. What what are the biggest causes or the common causes of having broken links on your site? Products or services are no longer available. So you've had products up and you've got links out there across the internet for them because you've been promoting them and doing things. And then I'm not going to do that anymore, and you take the page down. But that link is still out there in the internet. It's still people still have it bookmarked. They still come to try and visit it. Some people will still be promoting if they've been sharing that link with people for a while. They'll still be promoting that link with people. So that's one of the reasons. Old blog posts or events that were deleted. That's another problem. And links to external sites. That is my biggest problem. The links to external sites that have changed or shut down. And if you go to, like I might do a blog post talking about a service to help business owners with their websites. Say, oh, this is a great site. And now I've been doing this for 18 years. In 18 years, there's been a lot of businesses shut down. And I have to go through regularly and find those external links and make sure I fix them up. How do we find them? I am going to point you to the episode I did a couple of weeks ago about it, but we've got a broken link checker, we've got the dead link checker. Google Search Console's pretty good at showing you what's not found on your site. If you're running WordPress, there are a couple of good plugins you can use. WPMU Devs, is it Defender? No, it's just WPMU Dev has got link checker on it, and that's pretty damn good as well. That's really helpful. Just if you've got a lot of them, these link checkers take a while if you've got a lot of broken links on your site. What do you do if you find broken links? How do you fix them? If you are finding that you've got broken internal links on your site, so links to pages and posts on your site that no longer exist, do a redirect on them to the closest relevant page. We call that a 301 or a 301 redirect. Make sure that it goes to something that is similar to what you've got. It might just be, that product's no longer available. Have a look at these other products that we've got. We might have something similar, or contact us. If it's your 404 page, make your 404 page look really good. in fact, I wouldn't redirect it to the 404 page. I'd have something that if it comes in and it's a broken link, just send it to a page that is shown generically for these sorts of things that you can redirect things to. I will talk about how to redirect links specifically in WordPress in another podcast. There's a really cool way of doing it that makes life really easy. If you're not using WordPress, you'll need to work out how to do it on your platform. If you're self-hosting your site and you're on a Linux server, you can always use like a .ht access file. I'm saying a lot of jargon here. The point is that you can do it. You need to spend a little bit of time to work out how to do it, but you should be redirecting broken links or links. So if you take a product down, and this should be something that you do as standard. So if you come along and you say, I'm not going to offer that's product or service anymore, I'm taking that page down, you need to, when you're doing that, do that redirect at that point in time. Yes, you need to go through and clean it up now, but I would put it into your process that if you're taking stuff down, you do that redirect straight away, then you don't have to worry about it. You can always just update or replace the outdated links with working alternatives. Of course, if you have a lot of them, you might need to go through and do them manually, but you can absolutely do it. So redirect it or replace it. If the content's gone for good, as I've just said, create a custom 404 page with helpful navigation. Don't send it to your 404 page because Google will look at it when they do their indexing, and the search engines will look at it and say, oh, all of these links go to the 404 page. They can't read the 404 page. They don't know that the 404 page is actually really useful. So redirect it to a custom page that you do for this sort of thing. How to prevent broken links in the future? Well, as I just said, one of the things you need to do is put it into your process when you're removing pages or deleting pages that you redirect the link first, or you redirect the link as soon as you delete it. Do a regular scan on your site for broken links. I'm going to point you to the episode that I did a few weeks ago on how to do that. There was some good information in there, but make sure you scan your site regularly, whether it's once a week, whether it's once a month. Make sure you scan your site regularly to find the broken links and then action those links. Keep an updated list of important pages and URLs to monitor. So if you've got important URLs and pages on your site, make sure you monitor them. If you're linking to external sites and you've got a lot of links out to a particular external site, make sure that you know whether that site's up and available or whether it's disappeared and you need to go and fix your own links up. Alrighty guys, so broken links can be a real problem for your search engine optimization. It can be a real problem for your clients. There's a couple of ways you can deal with it. The point is that you do need to deal with it and you do need to keep on top of it. Once you've got it under control, you do need to keep on top of it. Massive, massive issue. I'm still working through my broken links list. I have a lot because I've been doing this for a very long time. Okay, questions, comments, feedback. Did I say something you disagree with? Did I raise a question that I didn't answer? Do you have any anecdotes that you want to share with me? Whatever that is, please leave comments wherever you're watching or listening to this video. Come and join my community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com, designed just for business owners to get this type of assistance. If this video was helpful, give it a like, please. Please give it a like. There we go, I'll be polite. Maybe even share this with a friend if you think it's been helpful. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you find out when I drop more content. Thanks guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools, and resources, visit www.askcharlyleetham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together.